Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and right now you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. In this episode, we are talking all things lingerie. But before I dive in, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our episodes, you're going to need to click that subscribe button. First up, we have the Midnight Mirage Basque set. Now this is made from absolutely gorgeous eyelash lace. So if you take a look along the edge, you can see all these little fronds look just like eyelashes. There's a floral pattern in the lace, which is really sexy and really pretty. And the bodice is boned. And inside we've got 6 plastic bones giving you structure and support around the waist. Now we've got this gorgeous 3-strap design across the chest, underwired cups and the Lovehoney heart in the middle in gold. And then attached to the basque we have suspender straps. Now the stockings don't come in the set, but I've accessorized this set so you can see what it looks like when the straps are connected. You also get this gorgeous thong set, again the same patterned lace with the eyelash edging. At the back we have a row of hook and eyes. There's 3 different sizing settings to choose from, and that ensures that you get a flattering fit. We've got this soft sheer mesh, again just to help sculpt you, and the boning as well. We've also got 2 points of adjustability on the straps. The back of the thong boasts a triangle peephole, so you get an alluring little flash of flesh. And we also have 2 more suspender straps to keep your stockings up. Again, these are all fully adjustable as well. Next we have the Boudoir Belle Basque set, and this has been inspired by a burlesque look. It's made from a light pink satin and accentuated with black lace and sheer black panels. So if you've got a bigger bust, this is perfect for you thanks to its thicker straps that are going to offer additional support. If we follow these down, you can see they're accessorized with a couple of little bows. We then have a lace trim, and this is eyelash lace because it has those little fronds again, with a bow in the middle with a Lovehoney silver heart. We then have the pink satin cups. Now these are ever so slightly padded, so they'll give you extra cleavage that you might be after if you're looking at a set like this. We then have a crisscross black velvety piping all the way down that just gives you that burlesque feel, and then a lace trim at the very bottom. Underneath, and in the same theme, we have the blush pink satin, and then on top of that we have a gorgeous lace overlay. Attached to the basque set are 2 suspender straps. They are fully adjustable, and again we've got little blush pink trim at the bottom. At the rear we have hook and eye fastenings. We also have plastic boning, which will help you achieve the hourglass silhouette. The lace trim continues, and at the back of the thong we have some black eyelash lace in a small triangle that will reveal alluring quantities of flesh. We also have 2 more suspender straps, again finished off with little blush pink ribbon and fully adjustable. And finally we have the Hot For You colour changing bra set. Now this is made out of triangle panels that are in a black mesh, so they're a little bit see-through, and on each cup we have a heart. You'll notice that down here on the thong we have another heart as well, so they've been very carefully positioned. This is a halter neck style bra that has an adjustable band under the bust, and the thong is adjustable as well. Now these will warm up with your body temperature and change colour, but they're on our very cold-blooded mannequin, so using my handy hot water bottle I'm going to warm them up so you can see what happens. Okay, now for the big reveal. Ta-da! The hearts will turn a gorgeous red colour when they've been against your body for a little while and they've had time to warm up. Now all of the underwear sets that I've shown you come in a variety of sizes. Please check the product page if you're interested in any of the sets, just so you get the right size. If you're unsure, you can chat to our friendly customer service team. We're on hand pretty much 24/7 to answer any questions you might have. If you've liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. For notifications, click the bell. If you never want to miss another video, hit subscribe. And if you really want to watch another video, then you can, because there's one coming up right now. Thanks again for watching. I've been Annabelle Knight and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye!